Okay, welcome to video 6-7. Here we're going to talk about an introduction to regressions. So regression equations are an equation of a function, so it can be linear, exponential, or as we learn more, we'll learn different ones, that plotted points follow or create. So the calculator command creates these equations. Correlation coefficient is the R value that we'll see in our calculator, and this number describes the strength of the equation in regards to the plotted points. A perfect fit equation will have an R value of 1 or -1, depending on the slope of the line or the growth of an exponential curve. So these concepts will be expanded upon further in the year, and these are just our basic needs for what we'll be doing right now. How to use your calculator to create the linear and exponential equations. What we need is, for a linear equation, we'll need two exact points from either a table or looking at a graph or within a word problem. For exponential equations, we need three exact points, again, from the table, graph, or word problem. So in our calculator, what we're going to do is first turn on our diagnostics in the calculator, because that's where we'll see our R value. And we'll go over this again tomorrow. But an easy way to do this is to go to second 0 in your calculator, which will bring you to the catalog. And you can either scroll down or press the button for the letter D, and then scroll down until you see diagnostics on, hit enter, enter again, and it'll say done. That'll turn your diagnostics on. If you had trouble with that, I'll help you tomorrow, but hopefully you're able to turn those on your own, because you'll need to do that on the exam. Once we've done this, we can put the points in a list by pressing the button Stat, Edit. It'll bring up lists. If you are in there, you will need to, if there's something in either one of those, you'll need to go up to select either L1 or L2, hit clear, not delete, and then the down button, and that'll clear your entire list. And then you can move over and again do that for list 1. Then you can put that information in your calculator. X is in L1, Y is in L2. Then you'll go back to Stat and Calc, and then you'll need to go to either whatever you're looking for. If it's a line, you're going to look for linear regression. If it's an exponential equation, you're going to look for exponential regression. So again, Stat, Calc to do that. Once we've done that, so again, we've hit Stat, over to Calculate, and then down to either number 4 for linear regression or continue down to 0 for exponential regression. Then it'll ask you where your information is, L1 and L2, and then you'll ask it to calculate, and it'll give you all those information that can help you write your equation. We want to verify it's perfect by making sure that our value is 1 or -1, and then we can write the equations by filling in the appropriate values for the coefficients. And the last thing you have to do is explain in words the steps you did to get the equations, since there's no math involved in writing these equations. So we'll go over how to do this more tomorrow, but at least that's an introduction of what we're going to be doing.